In my previous video, I showed you a cool AI tool designed for video editing. In today's video, I will be reviewing another cool AI tool called Media.io. And this particular tool serves a completely different purpose. With this tool, you can remove watermarks from your videos, and you can also enhance quality of low quality videos. If you have a low quality video and it's important to you and you want to improve its quality, with the tool that I'm going to demonstrate in this video, you can absolutely do that. So let's review Media.io. I will specifically focus on three important features: watermark remover, AI video enhancer, and video compressor. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. This product costs $6.99 per month. There is a premium package. You can see the difference between the standard package and the premium package. You can absolutely use a free trial. The platform has a bunch of useful tools, including everything you see on the screen right now, but I will focus specifically on watermark remover. It's a unique feature, and I haven't seen a tool that would successfully do that. I also want to take a look at AI video enhancer as well as video compressor. Let's begin with watermark remover. There are two options available. You can remove watermark by just uploading your video here on the website. For watermark removal without limitations, without file limitations, you can install a program on your computer. I just downloaded this low quality video from Envato. You can see the logo in the middle of the video and the quality is low. So first I'll try to remove the logo from this video, and then I'll try to enhance the video's quality. Let's see if Media.io will be able to help me complete this task successfully. Now I will have to select the area I want to be removed. This is my first time using this platform. So far, it seems intuitive. And I'm just going to click on remove object now. Processing. All right, the video is ready. Let's take a look. Okay. All right, that's pretty decent. Now I'll try to enhance the quality of this video. This is my original video with logo removed. All right, the video is uploaded. I'm going to click on process. Oh, I did not expect it to be completed so quickly. Wow, that is definitely much better than the original footage. I mean, look at that side by side. The logo is removed and like the overall quality is significantly better now. All right, it looks like the first two tools work perfectly. Now I will try to test out the last tool. It's just a video compressor. There are many situations in which I need to lower the file size of my videos. I have footage that is extremely heavy, and sometimes I need to send files over to my editors. So let's see how the tool works, and if the quality of my video drops after I use it, I'll show you what the original footage looks like and what the compressed version of the same video looks like. All right, I have this file. This is my overview of PrimeXBT. By the way, PrimeXBT is a really cool exchange. Based on my knowledge, it has the lowest fees in the market. It allows you to trade both directions. It has a super sleek, minimalist design. And if you're interested, you can use my referral code in the description to register on PrimeXBT. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. I want to take a break and talk more about PrimeXBT. If you're serious about trading, you know that the difference between profit and loss can often come down to the trading fees you pay, which is why it is very important to be selective when it comes to picking a crypto exchange. On PrimeXBT, fees are twice as low. I will repeat, twice as low as you would find on Binance Futures, for example. Founded back in 2018, PrimeXBT has built a strong reputation in the crypto space. I love the minimalist interface. I love the UX and UI. This exchange is perfect for experienced and not experienced traders. And here is the best part. If you use my referral link, you will qualify for an additional discount, feel free to register on the platform and check it out. Just remember to be mindful and evaluate your risks. Trading can be rewarding, but it's always important to make smart decisions. Trade smart and good luck to you. Now let's get back to the main topic. This is what the video looks like in high quality. I'll try to compress this video and then open the two videos side by side. Alright, my video is uploaded. I can choose how heavily I want this file to be compressed. I'm going to pick 40%, so my file will go down from 627 megabyte down to 250 megabyte. Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's take a look at this two videos side by side. This first version is the original video. This second video is a compressed version of the first video. To be honest, I don't see any significant difference between the two. I'm pretty sure that experts would be able to detect something, but I consider myself just an average user, an average viewer. I don't see much of a difference. In my opinion, the compressor did a pretty good job. Media.io is a pretty cool tool, I would say. The most useful feature, in my opinion, is a watermark remover. Media.io costs $6.99 per month. You can check out the link in the description. There's a free trial that you can explore. I hope you enjoyed this overview. And by the way, before you go, I know it doesn't take you too much time, but it means a lot to me. If you enjoyed the video, please click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more reviews, more overviews. Leave your comments in the comment section. I'm done for today. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.